Hey everyone, I'll show you how to change a blog post date on Squarespace. I'm doing this on the web version, so let's get straight into it. First, click on Pages in the left sidebar to open the Pages panel. This is your main navigation area where you manage all the pages on your site. Once that opens, you'll see your site structure, including your blog pages. Next, find your blog page. It's usually labeled Blog or Journal, and click on it. You'll see it under the main navigation section. When you click it, the blog page expands to show a list of all your blog posts. Now, find the specific post you want to change the date for. Hover your mouse over that post title in the list, and you'll see a three-dot icon appear on the right side. Click those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. In that drop-down, click Settings. This opens the Post Settings panel on the right side of your screen. At the top of the Settings panel, you'll see a few tabs. Click on the Options tab. This is where all the date controls live. The Options panel will display showing various settings for your post. In the Options tab, click on the Status field. When you do that, a calendar date picker interface appears, showing the current publication date and time for your post. To change the date, click on the calendar. You'll see the current date highlighted. Use the left and right arrows at the top of the calendar to navigate between months and years. Click on your new date in the calendar. It'll highlight when you select it. If you need to go several years ahead or back, just keep clicking the arrows to navigate. Below the calendar, you'll see a time field. To change the time, click on that field and manually type in the new time you want. The field becomes active so you can just type the time directly. Once you've set both the new date and time, click the Save button. You'll find it at the top right of the Settings panel. When you click Save, the Settings panel closes and you're back at your blog post list. You'll now see the new publication date displayed on the blog page. One important thing to know, blog posts on Squarespace appear in reverse chronological order by publication date. So when you change a post's date, it'll automatically move to a different position in your blog list based on that new date. If you set it to an older date, it'll move further down. If you set it to a newer date, it'll move up. And if you want to make sure search engines pick up the change, you can resubmit the updated blog URL to Google Search Console afterwards. It's optional, but can help Google recognize the update faster. Hope this helped. If it did, a like and a subscribe supports the channel. See you next time.